It's time for a look at This Week in History. Today in history, August 26, 55 BC, marks Julius Caesar's first invasion of Britain. The invasion in the late summer was unsuccessful, gaining the Romans little else besides a beachhead on the coast of Kent, according to Wikipedia. The second invasion achieved more. The Romans installed a king, Mandubricus, who was friendly to Rome, and they forced the submission of Mandubricus's rival, Cassivellanius. No territory was conquered and held for Rome. Instead, all Roman-occupied territory was restored to the allied Trinavants, along with the promised tribute and other tribes in what is now eastern England. In addition, August 26, 1964, marks President Johnson's receiving of the Democratic nomination for a second term as President of the United States.
These are our goals. These are the goals and will be the achievements of the Democratic Party.
It happened in Atlantic City, New Jersey. His running mate would be Hubert Humphrey, according to the History Channel. Former Vice President Johnson had assumed the reins of government in November of 1963 when President John F. Kennedy was assassinated. Upon assuming office, he inherited a commitment to Vietnam, where Kennedy had sent military advisors to support the South Vietnamese government in Saigon. Moreover, Johnson had to contend with the struggles of civil rights in the United States. Johnson eventually went on to win his second term, but announced that he would not be seeking re-election in 1968. Thank you for joining us. I'm Zion Decoto, and for now, this has just been a little look at the world this week. For this week's Nature Moment, we leave you to the sounds of the Spanish guitar during this past week's eclipse over North America.